Hi lovely people, together with me Dimas Yunani at Kadut Aten channel. Today I will show you how to cook Komatiasto Rizi. What then it is 1 kilo beef we cut square, dill, 500 gram tomato sauce, 200 gram jasmine rice, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon nutmeg, and 8 garlic. Don't forget we use olive oil. We start with black pepper, salt, nutmeg, olive oil, garlic with chops like this, rice, okay, tomato sauce, and we put also 500 milliliter water. There. One more. After we mix meat and rice together like this. We do massage like this. We put in the oven with 180 degree on 60 minutes. This is food, simple and so delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. We use 180 blower and we put Komatiasto Rizi on 60 minutes. We stir this, all we stir and leave it. After we check again, we stir again. Put more water, 200 milliliter, and we stir again. This already 40 minutes. We have 20 minutes more. So we give the leaf. We stir a little bit to make the, because the leaf is has a smell very nice. Now time to serve. Easy, right? This is a lovely food. Right? Smell from dill, garlic, of course tomatoes, lovely. On the top, there. You can see, lovely. Bon appetit, kalau reaksi, selamat menikmati. Salam Indonesia.